things where I have too many Zoom calls, and people ask you send the recording, and then the recordings don't have the names on them. It just has like 1, 2, 3 date and time. So I'm trying to have everybody just have their
Okay.
recordings on their own, so I don't have to send
All
recordings.
right. So let's see. One more. Which one you want me to do? Oh, your
Yeah,
messenger.
more, and then just hit record, and it'll send to your own computer.
Okay, hold on. Let's stop incoming video. Reset default because it's not sending.
If it doesn't say it,
Okay.
just remind me, and I can send it to you, man. But it should be at the bottom where it says more, and then it should press more and hit record.
Yeah, it doesn't say it.
Okay, I'll send it after.
Okay. Yeah, no worries, man.
You're
Uh,
good. All right, boss man. What questions you have for me?
so I've been I've been having troubles with entries, but I
Mm-hmm.
mean I do, but then I don't because I know like you give me the information about when you don't see the signs, that the trend is going up or down, just go always to the 15 minute to see, you know, um, which direction is going. Do you entries when you see two candles together, or you have to wait for the third candle?
Mm-hmm. Let me share my screen so I can physically see. Uh. All right. So you're saying what two candles? Like show me right here. Two candles do what?
Yeah, when the two candles appear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you wait for the third one to get the
Like this.
okay to go, to get the tip, or the going up or whatever?
You don't have to wait at all, man, because look, if you if you would have entered right here, you could have
Uh huh.
waited. You could have waited all these times, and this is a 30-minute time frame. So yeah, if you want to wait for three, wait for four, wait for five. I'm just saying, the more you wait, the sooner it's gonna reverse on you.
Oh damn. Yeah, that's what I don't want. Um, how do you know once a trend like that is gonna come up? Like like a
When
big
it's gonna
dip.
reverse on you,
Yeah. Well,
uh,
no, not reverse, but like it's going down like a big dip like that, so that way you can get more profit.
like this one down here.
Yeah.
If as long as your daily, your
Uh huh.
4 hour and your 30 minute are buying, are selling. Like if all of them are selling, and or if all of them are buying, that's how you're able to hold the trade. If the daily, the 4 hour, and the 30 minutes are all together.
Oh, okay.
But if one of them is buying, one of them is selling, and the other one's buying, then you're just gonna get this. Like it's gonna be going up and down.
Up and down, huh? Yeah, because I've been on that, and I mean I don't get a lot, uh, because I just only pay maybe 400, 300 a win, 500 a win,
Mm-hmm.
and then lose $100 or less, or 150 the most.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't get a lot. Um, yeah, because of that, because
Yeah.
so. But I was just wondering, like, oh man, how I was gonna ask you that, like,
Mm-hmm.
hey, how do you know? Like, do you have, so you can get a big deal? Because I've been watching videos where people, waterfall people, where like they're like, I'm not sure how they do it, but they're like at 3,000, earnings, or a
Mm-hmm.
1,500, whatever, So it's like, man, I'm a ask Anthony whenever get the chance.
They just have bigger lot sizes. That's it. They're just using bigger lot sizes. So if you're using a 0.10, which is like just 10 cents, let's just make an example. It's just 10 cents, or you're trading $1, all they're doing is trading $30 per point, or $50, or
Oh,
$100 per point. So when you press enter and it goes up $1 or $2 because you entered in at $1 or $2, what they're entering in at is 100 or 200 or 300. So the faster it goes up or goes down, it's just bigger money. That's it.
also just be okay. Oh, no wonder then. So they're risking more on that then
They're
when
risking
they doing
more.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh snap! I wonder if that's a funded account that what they're doing then.
I would have to ask. Like, I don't know if you have a funded account or a real account. You know what I mean? I don't ask everybody, so.
Yeah. No, I don't have a funded account. I mean, like I said, I've been having trouble trying to connect either what is it, the IBKR dam, and then Hancock's too.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't able to connect with Trading View,
Mm-hmm.
and then I think with IBKR, I think with them, it's just the one spec that I just need. I think put some money in there so that way they can send me to the next page, which is I guess a charge. I don't know.
A live account. They're setting you up with a live account.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, because I think I have the live account with them, but I just need to put some funds in there so that way I guess.
You just put $10 in it. You just put $5. Whatever their minimum is, just put the minimum. And then once it's in there, just make sure you like everything, and then put more.
Shoot, man, I didn't think about that. Oh my goodness, man, that's easy as that. And then the well, you said you trade with Hankus, right?
Hanko's, yes.
Okay. Do you recommend that one, man? Like,
it's easy. It's simple.
With them. Huh?
Here, I can show you. It's easy. Where's my Gmail? Hold on. It's easy, man. I just put my money in through them with Hold on, let me pull up my account. Hanko. High withdraw. This is something else. Some money they sent me. Hanko. Where's Hanko? Over here.
Because every time I try to do, well, it just sent me to the funds, and it gives me Bitcoin and some other stuff that is not even.
Yeah, so you have to use Bitcoin because you can't put money into the account with just, hey, this is $1 and I'm giving y'all $1. It has to go through Bitcoin. It has to go through. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't. It is what it is. I guess it's because it's online, so it's digital money. That's the only way I could think of. But if I had a broker, yeah, I would just. Hey, just debit card, but for some reason you got to put it through Bitcoin, and that's every broker. I don't even know a broker that you can just put your card and they don't try to make it converted into Bitcoin.
Okay. Oh, sweet. All right. Well, I'm gonna try that, and yeah, cause I was trying, and then I made a demo account there, and just I couldn't. I jumped to live account, and I did. Made the live account, but after that, I don't think I was, we just having trouble getting to the recharge.
Yeah, man, their support should be able to help you with everything. Because when it comes to brokers, I'm not a broker, man. You know what I mean? I'm not a.
Yeah.
I can't do anything. I can't enter nobody's broker's account. Like, I can't do any of that. I can only go to their customer support.
Yeah, because I'm gonna keep trying them with them Hancocks and the IBKR to see which one is
Mm-hmm.
But for sure I'm gonna do that today.
All right, boss. Any questions? Any more questions?
So just a little bit back to the going back to the charge on day trading. Do you recommend when I see two candles together? Like if I'm looking either left or oops, my bad.
You're good.
Is it either going up or down?
Mm-hmm.
I always before putting the order, right? I need to check what trend is going, right?
Yeah, when you're saying two candles, you're talking about this, right? These.
Yeah.
So you're just seeing two candles, and I mean, I would call it a Hail Mary trade because you would have just got it strictly off of the whole number. Yeah, you could take the sale strictly off of it, hit this 218.000. But if you didn't get the best entry in all time, then I would just get down lower and see support in these areas. And it didn't. This one it did it 2 times. With this one right here, it did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's not a one-way thing because you see over here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here you see it's Let me bring this right here. You see it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So all these examples will be different, but it's the same scenario. As long as you're selling on the daily, selling on the 4-hour, and selling on the 30-minute, just look for your resistance areas.
Resistance areas, okay. And after that, go right.
Correct.
You don't go with the POC.
No, no. I know what you're talking about. No.
No, not even the FTG.
All that fair value gaps, break of structure, and trend lines, and all that other stuff. Back caves, W's, M's, twisted, bottom top, bottle tweezers, whatever, all that. No.
Okay. Yeah, because it kind of, I don't know, I feel like those things, it get you, well, it does get you confused and stressing because it's like, man, where is it at? Where, I don't see the, break of structure, or, if you're like, you need to do that,
That's why I don't use none of it, man, because it's just there to confuse you, so I make it more and more simple.
Yeah, true. I mean, I seen other people doing it, and I was like, oh, okay, but yeah, it does sound confusing. So,
yeah.
It does sound confusing for us. Yeah, because you have to memorize it. If you want to get on that, you have to memorize it, and use another thing, and now you're like, man, you know what I mean? And that. I noticed when I'm not sure if it was a trading view, doing a paper what is it?
Paper trading.
Yeah, paper trading. When I put the buy or sell, it doesn't. Sometimes it does sounds, that I put the order, but sometimes it doesn't. And I noticed that when it doesn't, it doesn't get the order. So I get the order and I get a win, right? And then I don't know. I don't. It doesn't get on the
alerts, notification, alerts, automatic. All right, only active. Yeah, it should send you alerts. You see how mine it'll say alert volume? Just make sure yours is checked, and I guess that's it. Because this is just the alert button.
Anthony, when you're doing on a chart, when you just winning whatever, do you take profit, or do you just cancel the order and it will do it automatically?
Cancel the order. It takes the profit automatically.
Oh, okay. Oh, I thought you had to have another indicator that you need to that way fill order. Okay. You don't have you don't use the plus sign right there where you have the little arrow where you can buy, like if you
this over here.
Numbers.
Wait, what? Where are you looking at?
This? I'm looking at over here on the number, the 218, the 217, 400.
Okay.
Sometimes I have it there. So that way, when I press the little plus sign, it will open up the order, or it will open up the stop loss and then the TP, and then that's how I go based on that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And I'm not sure it does because I do that. It doesn't take the order or anything like that.
Yeah, whatever way works, man. As long as it's buying and selling and closing your order, that's it.
Okay, because I do try, the sell and buy on the left hand, on the top left thing, but I get kind of like, oh man, what is it? Let me go back. What is it? 217 point, and then I get. By the time I'm putting my stop loss and all that, and the TP, I feel like the candle's going up or down. I'm like, man, come on, hurry up.
Yeah.
So that's why I use that little plus sign on the side, so that way I can just right away set it up and.
Yeah, man, you got it, man. Don't let it stress you out too much.
Yeah, yeah. I just need a broker, man. I tell you, I just need a broker and more practice for this. Obviously, I've been doing it now on my phone. It's a little bit different on the phone, but I've been doing that because I came back to work and last week, so I don't have the. I try to do it right in the morning because I feel like like from 7 to whatever time, from 7 to 10. I feel like it's more when it's more active.
Correct.
And I feel like when I check it, I was like, oh, done for today. But yeah, I so.
Yes, sir, man. If you have any questions, just send me a text as always.
Oh, for sure. All right, well, Anthony, well, I think that's it, man. I mean, yeah, pretty much that's it, man. I just keep doing, what you taught me to do, and 4 and 3, and then whenever it's, chopping, go to 15 minutes, and if it's between those two lines, I don't do that, nothing,
If you're ever confused on any trade before you press buy or sell, just don't take it.
Right? Yeah.
That's it. Just don't take it.
I got another thing that where it says, other people, what they do is they go from the wicket from the previous day, they go the high and low, put a line in there, array, and if it goes the next candle, it goes up past that, then that means that it going up, or past the one support, the trend is gonna go down. I tried that a couple times, and it does, it does goes like that, but not all the time. So,
yeah, man, just keep me up to date, man.
Okay.
Any questions you have, send me a text, and we're gonna do this over again. Hop back on Zoom and keep doing this until you get everything down.
All right, for sure, man.
All right, man. Enjoy your day.